You fancy soaring in the world of affiliate marketing, right? If that's a yes, then you're going to love what we have for you. This groundbreaking webinar. It's like the jetpack for those affiliate marketers who want to skyrocket their income and break the success barrier. Now, this isn't just some regular old webinar. Think of it more like an open treasure chest. A treasure chest that's seen over $23 million roll in from online operations. And here's the kicker. You'll learn how to graft this successful approach right into your own operations. Ever noticed how many traditional online business models crumble to dust? Well, in this webinar, you'll learn about the 3 big wrecking balls that smash those models. And the secret sauce the big players don't want you to know about. Here's where things get really juicy. This program lets you reel in commissions up to $3,493.50 from a single conversion. The sweet part? You don't have to do any of the hard selling yourself. Learn how to flick on the 3 profit switches. That could bring in up to $33,078 a month. And don't worry if you're still hunting for your first online dollar. This works for everyone. But that's not all. You'll also find out how to fire up high-ticket automated webinars that are ready and waiting for you, making your sales journey a lot less bumpy. And the coolest part? You can integrate this $1 million method into your business in around half an hour. Yep, 27 minutes to potentially change your world. Seats are going fast, so don't hit pause. Act now and secure your spot in the training. You'll find the link you need in the description.